Welcome. My name is William Wu, and I'll be teaching you local security policy. So first off, what is local security policy? The local security policy of a system is a set of information about the security of a local computer. And it's not that complicated. So to open it up, type Windows R. To open up the run key, type in secpol.msc. Or you can go to the search bar and type in local security policy. Both ways work. Okay, so in account policy, go to password policy, and you'll see multiple settings. So there's enforced password history, there's maximum password age, there's minimum password age. The most important is minimum password length. So for example, right now the minimum password length is set to 14 characters. So if I create a new user, let's do test. And I'll set the password to 123, which is 3 characters, which should not work. The password does not meet the password policy requirements, okay? So now let's give it a longer password. And it should work because it passes the 14 character requirement. Okay, for this setting, password must meet complexity requirements. It should be set to enabled because setting it to disabled means it could bypass all these rules. Okay, for account lockout policy, the account lockout threshold is 5 invalid logon attempts. This means that you have 5 tries to get your password correct. If you miss all 5, then you'll be locked out for 30 minutes. Okay, so let's say you have 2 invalid, you typed in your password 2 times wrong, and then you wait 30 minutes. Then you can type it wrong 5 more times because it resets. Okay, for local policies, in audit policies, you should set each of the settings to success failure by checking both of these boxes. For user rights assignment, there's many settings, but some of the most important ones are access this computer from the network. These are all the groups and users that can access your network. So for example, if there's an everyone in there, that wouldn't be very secure. So you should remove it. Okay, for security options, some important ones are disabling the administrator and a guest group account. So for example, for this setting, accounts, guest account status, if we set it to enabled, and then we refresh, the guest is no longer disabled. If we disable it, which we should, the guest account will be disabled. Thank you for listening.